There, Angela. She's so tiny behind me. Very close to the water. Oh no. There's a grandpa. He is fishing. This one is, I don't know how to go. It's bulldozer.
Moonwood on a fire, once upon a time.
Angela, I feel like the water level get increased.
It is? Wow. It's increasing again.
Yeah, the level increase again.
Wow.
Shall we go down there? It might be interesting.
Oh my.
I thought the kids also will go under.
So you want to go down there? Take off our shoes and go like that?
Don't we can take our eyes first?
But let's take our bikes over to the other side.
Of course, we cannot go down there. We have
This
to,
is
We have
dangerous.
to go down the other side over there.
Yeah.
No, come here.
I think by next year this thing will,
We finish.
yeah, they'll complete fixing it.
They should finish as soon as possible because the big rain will come soon. Should finish this.
And the water level will start increasing again,
And
right?
then all the soil, all the dust will go down inside the river.
Yeah.
So I have to finish this as soon as possible.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's go, bro. Now we are here. Angela. Angela, I will go under there. Can you take for a video?
Okay.
Ready? I'm scared.
Why are you scared?
I'm scared. I want to ever go. Let's go.
No.
Wow, bro. Come here.
Don't worry, I don't need you can do solo. I don't know how to be like that.
No, I was just say like that.
Okay.
Oh, God. It's cool, bro. I like it. It's like we are near to the river. We are near to the river, right? It's like so cool. Actually, I don't mind to go down there also. There, Angela. She's so tiny behind me. The road collapsed like 6 last year. They just trying to fix it now. Actually, like if they do, they have to fix it as soon as possible because the heavy rain will come soon. Otherwise, all the soils and down will just go inside the river. So I think it's better to fix it as soon as possible. We'll go down there. You go there, I will go down.
It's okay. I'll take a video of you from down up here. I don't
Okay. God, look at here. I'm going. I want to go down here. I want to go near to the water. Let's see. Very close to the water. Just go out, go back. I think it's enough. Is that, can you take for me video from there? I will just go up and then you just take like that. You see what I running? Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh no. That's fine.
That's why I didn't want to go because I'm not wearing shoes.
Where's the boat? I saw Grandpa there. I didn't see any more inside here. Oh, there. I wish I could ride the boat with him. Right, Angela? I wish I could ride the boat.
I'm asking to come pick you up.
I don't dare also because I cannot swim.
You'll be fine.
It's a grandpa. He is fishing. I wish I could go with him, like enjoying the evening in the water, inside the boat. Okay, let's start the video here. Guys, thank you for watching the videos. We believe you will like this adventure, right? Because it's like a different type of landscapes, like a huge, what do we call this one? This one is, I don't know how to call it. It's bulldozer.
Bulldozer, yeah?
This one is, don't know, right?
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm not a construction worker.
Okay, bye guys. Thank you for watching the video. See you at the next one.